If you leave certain conversations feeling calmer and others feeling completely wiped out, that's not random. Your body knows the difference between regulating connection and draining connection, even if your mind hasn't named it yet. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. I'm Dr. Ava, doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine, and today we're talking about how different types of connection affect your body, especially your energy, your hormones, and overall resilience. This is so important and matters a lot in February, especially when we're thinking about love, relationships, and closeness. Now let's talk about the health barrier of a dysregulating connection. Some relationships, romantic, family, work, and even sometimes friendships, they actually help your body settle, while others can keep you on edge. And here's the key point. You don't need conflict for a relationship to be draining. A connection can look like fine and still be exhausting. Let's talk about the difference between regulated versus dysregulated. From a physiological standpoint, healthy connection tends to slow your breathing, relax your shoulders and jaw, settle digestion, and leave you feeling more present afterward. Whereas dysregulated connection does the opposite. Shallow breathing, tight chest or stomach, racing thoughts afterward, needing recovery time after interaction. This isn't about labeling people as good or bad. It's about noticing how your body responds. In this situation, there is a hormonal piece that many people miss. If you think about it, emotional stress doesn't just live in your head. It shows up through hormones like cortisol or adrenaline. When a relationship starts triggering vigilance, even if it's subtle, your body stays in a mild stress response. So over time, that can affect sleep quality, blood sugar stability, menstrual cycles or perimenopausal symptoms, and energy consistency. This is why some people say, I don't do anything differently, but I feel better when I'm around certain people. So that means their hormones are responding to safety. So why exactly does this show up so clearly in February? Well, February puts a spotlight on connection and relationships. But winter is when bodies are more focused internally, less buffered, and more sensitive to stress signals. So the contrast becomes deafeningly obvious. Connection that soothes feels deeply nourishing right now, and connection that drains feels even heavier. This is one reason acupuncture and supportive therapies can be helpful during this time of year. This is an emotionally charged season. So from a physiological standpoint, treatments can support things like nervous system settling, hormonal balance, improved circulation, and a calmer baseline response to emotional input. Now, this doesn't change your relationships. It changes how your body responds to them. Now, two things that you can do for yourself this week, if it's not acupuncture, after one interaction each day, pause and notice your body. Do you feel more settled or tense? Or you can intentionally balance one draining interaction with something regulating like warmth, movement, quiet, or nourishment. You don't need to sit here and analyze it. Just notice and respond. And as a bonus tip here, if your body feels calmer around certain people, pay attention. That is definitely information worth respecting. I hope you found this helpful during this season of connection. Please like, subscribe, and comment below which relationships, connections leave your body feeling calmer. Let us know so that we can help support you, or let us know which ones don't. And until next time, stay grounded, stay consistent, and build health that supports your life, not just your symptoms.